Welcome back to another video planned with us. Today is a special day because today we're gonna harvest cauliflower. I want to remind you, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification button and like the video. Let's get on with it. I'm gonna share a few tips so you can know when a cauliflower is ready to be harvested. So a few simple ways to know when you can harvest this cauliflower. If you can see the full head. You can see the full head here. Then you see how tight knitted this head is. There's no holes in between. No holes. There's one way you can see when a cauliflower is ready. You can see and it's like white cream color. Then the second way you know is when the leaves grows outwards, not inwards, but outwards, opening the head. That's another way you can see this cauliflower is. You can take it out because we don't want a cauliflower that's overripe. It's overripe. Then if you open, if it's open up, then it shows the cauliflower won't taste the same as a ripe one. Let me show you some other cauliflower. Here you can see a cauliflower that's not ready to be harvested. And you see the leaves is still going inwards in the head. You can't see the head properly. That's when you can see now this cauliflower, you still need to leave it maybe another week or two before you can harvest it. But let's go back to the one that we're gonna harvest today. So how do we harvest a cauliflower? That's another issue. You can just take it, must cut it at the root. See there, at the root, a 45. Take a sharp knife, cut it 45 at the root. And then then you can take off all the leaves that's on the outer side. This way you can be sure that you can still use this cauliflower for, if you're not gonna eat it at the same moment, you can store it for another up to maybe 4 days. There you have it. We can still use this cauliflower after 4 days because we still have the root system. So we still, like they say, it's still growing, like all the farmers say, still growing. It's not in the ground, but it still give the cauliflower nutrients, nutritious, and it will be ready wherever you want to eat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button for further upcoming videos, and we will show you how tasteful this cauliflower is when we're gonna cook it. We're gonna show you just maybe a 2-minute video what we do with this cauliflower. See you on the next video.